everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am going to do a one brand hair tutorial, and I will be using the Luster Pink. So this is a co-wash cleansing conditioner that I used in the shower. Then I used the leave-in conditioner. I already applied some in the shower, but I'm going to apply some more. Okay, next is the moisturizing hair milk, and instead of distributing all over through my hair, I am going to section it off. Now I'm going to use my towel to collect any of the excess product. Now I'm going to use the Hold Edge Gel throughout my hairline. I necessarily don't use hair gel, but the product was really soft, so I decided to try it out. Now I'm going to let my hair dry for at least 1 hour. It's been about an hour, and at this point I am going to diffuse my hair, and I am using my bed head. I believe it's called a lollipop diffuser, and I'm just going to do that for a few minutes. Okay, so this is 5 minutes after diffusing my hair, and I was using I believe it's called like the lollipop from Bedhead, and I've kept it on warm and low throughout the 5 minutes. So far, these are how my curls are coming out. I haven't added any other products or anything. It does feel like, you know when you put the gel and it has like that little crunchy feeling, not too crunchy and everything, but you know how you kind of have to break the cast to kind of get the softness of the curls back. So that's what kind of feels like it, but once it, you touched it, a few times, you can feel the curls soften up a little bit more. Not a little bit, they soften up, trust me. So yeah, I'm going to diffuse a little bit more since my hair is still damp, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the part where I'm going to stop diffusing my hair. My hair is still a little damp, but I'm going to let it air dry the rest of the way. But for the most part, the curls came out great. Yes, I do have frizz up here, but that was me messing around with the diffuser, so I am going to probably re-wet it and restyle it just to get the curls a little better. Some of my curls weren't curling, so I did get in the diffuser a little bit more and kind of frizzed it up. But since I do have dry hair, I probably will put in oil afterwards, just to kind of freshen up the look of the curls. But for the most part, the curls came out great. I probably would have just let it air dried and not diffused it. I think you would have a better outcome. But since I'm short on time, I have to diffuse it. So yeah, I'll show you at the end of the night how the hair turns out, because I know throughout the day the hair does get a little bigger, a little better throughout the time compared to like this right now. So yeah, I'll be back a little later. Okay. All right, so this is the finished hair. I absolutely love it. I only use the Luster Pink products that came in my box. I normally have a tendency to put some oil in other products, but I did my best not to, and I don't think I really need to. Maybe a little bit of oil up top, but I really don't need to. It did get frizzy more up top only because I do use a diffuser. So if you can avoid the diffuser, then just let it air dry. So I absolutely love the products. So yeah, so if you got a box, I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up so I know you guys are enjoying these kind of videos. Yeah, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. Bye.